Good afternoon. I'm about to start cook my dinner now, even though it's only just about 3 o'clock. The reason for this is I want soup tonight, and it takes a bit of time to cook. I went to the grocery shop to get the vegetable I needed for my soup, and I will show you. I have a small note here with the English names of them, because there was a couple of them I didn't know. One of those I knew, obviously. The carrot. There's some carrots. Then there's beetroot. Probably gonna dye the whole thing red, but that's okay. Then I believe these must be parsnips. Parsnips. Some of those as well. And then this one I asked Google, and it's a parsley, but this is the root. As far as I know, parsley is the green stuff you put on top of your egg, but in Danish this is called, if I directly translate the Danish word for this one, the Danish name, it would be parsley root. I don't know if that's the English name, but anyway. And then this thing here, celery. I like the taste of celery. It's really good. In the very end, I got something I'm going to put in. It's in the refrigerator now, and let's say that's a surprise for the time. It will. I'll take it out when I need it. But well, there's quite a bit of preparation for this. Obviously, it's all the roots. They need to be peeled and made ready. Except I actually think some of them. Well, let me get started peeling all this stuff. This one and this one. I had planned to park in a very nice place, and this morning I drove to the spot, but there was a scout meeting in that area, so no room for me. So right now I'm actually parked. You remember when the Helena, she was here, my friend from Sweden, we parked in this spot to make our live broadcast because there's a very good cell signal in this area. So I parked here because I'm shielded from the wind. There is a storm coming in, and it should top here tonight. Now I peeled all them except the celery. I'm gonna wait a little bit with that one. And well, I should have known. The beetroot, obviously, it's red, and it's very red, and it dyes everything very red. I put that by itself, but my hands, I guess I could have put some plastic gloves or something, but anyway, it's okay. So now it's time to chop the whole thing and put it in the pot. For the chopping part, I'm gonna use my Asian inspired chopping knife. So Now it's time for the celery. I I don't really know how to I guess, well, let me chop it a little bit. Yeah. Time to chop the celery. That was a good pot of food here. Now I'm just gonna add some water. That'll do it, I think. Put the lid. Yeah, it's on. So, put the lid and start cooking. Then it's just a question of time when it's finished. I'm not sure, but I'll sit down and look for job while it's cooking. Let's see. Looking good. Start to So put some of the Thai Maggi sauce. There you go. And some of the Thai oyster sauce as well. Just to give a bit of flavor. So, and the lid back on. I think I'm gonna leave it for another 10-15 minutes and get back to it. Let's see. Need a bit more salt. Like that. That's perfect. Perfect. So now the last ingredients. This here. That is smoked soy. It's something I never tried before. I'm kind of excited to try it. I bought it today, and it actually said on the package that it would be a good substitute for bacon. I have to say I do like bacon a lot, but when I decided to become a vegetarian, I realized that, well, bacon is no longer something I want to eat. But if I can get the bacon taste from this, that would be pretty cool. So let's try it. Normally when you buy a block of soy, it's soft and kind of breaks up, but this is quite firm. So I figure I'm gonna cut it in small cubes. Let me try one of these. Absolutely not bad. Interesting. So, in with it, and another, well, 5-10 minutes, then it's dinner time. I think that's it. Let's see. It's a very interesting color. It's kind of, the soup is red, obviously from the beetroot. See if it's any good. You see the color, right? Yeah. Wow, that is good. So let's plate up. Wow, smells good. Wow, that's really good. That's it's like all these different things. When I take a mouthful, I can't, because of the beetroot, everything is same color except the beetroot is darker. All the other vegetables in there, they are the same color. So it's like when I get it in the mouth, there's these different tastes. It's just wow. Oh, that's good, and the soy tastes very good. I'm gonna buy more of that, that's for sure. That smoked taste is just excellent. I'm gonna eat my dinner now, and I'll see you guys another time. Take care, and remember, life is good. Bye bye.